Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 flicking mouse pointer with blue color circle. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that in the search box type a msconfig and open a system configurations. Uncheck the load startup items, click on apply button. After doing this step, go to your services tab, check the hide all Microsoft services. After that, disable all. Go to your startup, click on open task manager. Now after doing this step, disable all running services. So in my case is a now you can see the Microsoft Teams it unable, so disable it. So disable all these services, close it, apply and OK button. And after doing this step, restart your computer. Click on restart. After that, restart your computer, and after restarting your computer, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that press the Control, Shift and Escape key and open a task manager. Go to your services tab, and after that, scroll down and find out a spoiler. Now here is a spoiler. Now so in case you can see data and running, right click and click on the stop button. After that, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.